Hey guys, I wanted to catch you up on this week's lessons for Two Roads. So starting with Monday, we had lesson two, which we talked about character and how Cal responds to different challenges throughout the novel. And we really were focusing on Two Roads, chapter 4 and 5, just in vocabulary. So make sure you have read chapters 4 and 5. You're going to complete in a text box the 20-word gist or a hashtag gist or one sentence summary and a vocabulary word sentence. So that was Monday. On Tuesday, we worked on lesson 3 and we listened to Captain Pratt's speech. And then we thought about his perspective towards the Indian boarding schools. And I'll give you a hint. He is one of the creators of the Native American Indian boarding schools in the United States. So this was, remember, this was the 1800s, late 1800s, this was occurring. Today and tomorrow, we're going to be working through lesson 4. So today we read a excerpt from The Land of Red Apples. So this was actually a young Indian girl named Zitkala Shah who wrote a memoir about her experiences as one of the children of an Indian boarding school. So we started the reading of that, and then we are in the process of finishing a close read of it. So we read a little bit, answered some questions on the point of view, some vocabulary words, some connotations, some figurative language. So there's actually quite a bit to this close read. So we are working on it for 2 days. Also, just a reminder, please make sure you've been reading chapters 6 and 7, and then you'll be all caught up for Monday's activity. And then make sure your gist of chapters 1 through 5 are submitted. One thing that I've noticed that many people have been missing is the Infer the Topic chart from last Friday. That was Infer the Topic, where we took notes on the different excerpts, the different pictures, and then we asked questions. And that was the I Infer, I Wonder chart. So again, for this week, we're working on lesson 2 from Monday. We were looking at chapters 4 and 5. Then we moved on to some historical fiction, some text to go with our historical fiction novel, and that was Captain Pratt's speech. These links have some read alouds for you. And then today and tomorrow, we're working on The Land of Red Apples. Again, there's another read aloud in the second one, and the close read is here. And tomorrow, we're going to talk a little bit more about another chapter of The Land of Red Apples. And upcoming learning is going to be reading further in Two Roads. Okay. All right. Have a good afternoon.